This is Jake from Dejunk. We're going to be doing a hot tub removal job today. Now, the hot tub wasn't drained. We were able to drain it for them. If you can drain it, it's always helpful. If not, we can do it for you. So we got like all of the pumps out and everything. Next, we're going to be flipping it and carrying it out on the spa sled. Sometimes if you have a gazebo or a very narrow fence, we'll have to cut these in half. Hopefully we don't have to do it on this one, but we'll find out later in the video. Hot tub removal jobs typically take us about 30 minutes to an hour at most. If you need your hot tub removed, make sure to contact dejunk.com and we'll get it done for you.